Hello, welcome to the fifth installment on this 48-inch Stillson pipe wrench. And if you watched the last video, you see where we left off. I was worried about the teeth and fixing them up. So what I chose to do, call it laziness, whatever, it has so much patina to it with the rust and the pitting and everything. It looks like it must have laid on one side for some period of time in the mud, and it's very likely because we had a barn that we converted that we were using for a real long time, and it just had a dirt floor, and it probably fell over. It was leaning against the wall, probably fell over, laid in the dirt for a long time. So I'm kind of thinking if I fix the bottom teeth, I kind of have to fix the top teeth. It's all or nothing to me. I think it would look weird with brand new bottom teeth, so what I chose to do was fix most of them. And what we have is I'm going to call it matching patina. The bottom jaw and the lower jaw, or I'm sorry, the bottom jaw and the upper jaw will pretty much have, the same sort of damage, a few chipped teeth and things like that. And then with the rest of the pitting, it'll be all cleaned up and basically just be refreshed. So enough talking, this is getting drug out. Let's get started on it, and we'll get right into it. Here's our color choices. We're ready to get her coated. So I have a gold hammered finish for the whole wrench part and part of this guy. And then we have cherry red for this big bracket here. And then we have bluing that we're going to use on the adjuster nut, the pin, the spring, and I'm going to tape off and do part of the jaws, the threads, and what else? Oh yeah, the jaw here. So here we go.